This is a RugOne Xever 7 Pro, and this is the world's first rugged phone. Comes with a Hot-Swappable battery, and it also comes with a built-in FLIR thermal camera. It's designed as a modern, high-end device built for tough environments and outdoor use. You might not have heard of RugOne before because it's a new sub-brand of Ulefone, a company already well known for durable smartphones. The Xever 7 Pro is actually the very first release, and it's pretty interesting rugged phone. So let's unbox it and see what it has to offer. Inside the box of the RugOne Xever 7 Pro, here's what you get. The RugOne Xever 7 Pro smartphone itself. We'll check that out in a moment. A 33-watt fast charger with a Type-C port. A battery charger and battery storage case, which is something I've honestly never seen bundled with a rugged phone before. Two 5550 mAh batteries, one already pre-installed in the phone and another spare included. A USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and the build quality feels solid. A swappable battery cover so you can easily switch out the battery when needed. A wrist strap for extra security when you're on the move. The usual user manual, quick start guide, and a dedicated thermal camera guide. Plus, a screen protector already applied to keep the phone safe from day one. And finally, let's check out the phone itself. The RugOne Xever 7 Pro is definitely built tough, yet it still manages to feel modern. At 325 grams, it's surprisingly manageable for a phone with this level of hardware. The most important design element here is the removable battery cover. A quick release mechanism gives you access to the 5550 mAh battery, and thanks to an internal 80 mAh standby cell, you can hot swap the battery, change it without ever powering down the phone. That's a true first for a rugged device, and it's a game changer for long shifts or expeditions. On the right, you'll find the volume rocker and the power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Both the right and left sides feature programmable shortcut keys, which you can customize for quick access to apps, the thermal camera, or push to talk. At the bottom, there's a USB-C port supporting 33-watt fast charging, along with a microphone and speaker. On the top, you still get a flashlight that's bright enough for use in the dark, along with an IR blaster and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is always nice to have. Finally, the chassis is reinforced with durable materials, giving it that tank-like feel required to meet IP68. That means it can handle drops, dust, and full water immersion without a problem. The most specialized tool on the RugOne Xever 7 Pro is the integrated FLIR Lepton 3.5 thermal imaging sensor, which is managed by the MyFLIR Pro app. This feature is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts like campers who want to easily discover wild animals, even in complete darkness. The phone's thermal camera doesn't see visible light like a normal camera. Instead, it sees heat. Everything around us, people, animals, objects, and machines, emits a measurable level of energy in the form of infrared radiation, also known as heat. The MyFLIR Pro app on rugged smartphones like the RugOne Xever 7 Pro provides advanced features for thermal analysis and reporting. Through this app, we can customize the circular or square area to analyze the heat. You can also record videos and take radiometric photos for analysis, whether you're compiling data or creating a detailed report for your boss about machine overheating in your factory. The RugOne Xever 7 Pro features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for fluid visuals. It boasts an impressive 2200 nits peak brightness and also supports always-on display and widevine L1 for full HD streaming. For enhanced multimedia and gaming performance, it includes an X-axis linear vibration motor that delivers more precise haptic feedback. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 7025, paired with 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, and support for up to 2 TB expansion. Connectivity wise, of course, it also supports 5G connectivity and even Esim, which means you can activate a mobile plan digitally without needing a physical SIM card. Handy if you travel often or want to use multiple carriers. On the software side, it runs RugOne OS based on Android 15 and also comes integrated with Google Gemini AI, bringing smarter features right into the system. The charging station is pretty interesting. It offers 4-in-1 functionality: phone charging, phone holder, battery charging, and battery storage. This means while you're using the phone, you can charge the second battery at the same time, making hot swapping really easy and convenient. On the back, we have a 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS, a powerful 64 megapixel night vision camera, and importantly, the built-in FLIR thermal imaging module. For selfies, there's a 32 megapixel front camera. I've taken some samples and honestly, the results are better than many rugged phone cameras. I'll share all the photos and videos now. Now I'm recording the video from the back camera, which is 50 megapixel. You can see it looks pretty nice, clean, not shaking. This is 1x. Okay, I show you from here. This is 1x and this is 2x, and then you can still zoom in till 4x, and this is 1x. The zoom out, zoom in speed is pretty fast. Now I'm running. It is shaking but not that much. See, wow, not bad. The camera quality is not bad. Seriously, I'm impressed. You can also use it for vlogging. I'm recording this video from the front camera, which is 32 megapixel, and it supports 1080p and it does not support 4K from the front. And this is 1x, and while video recording you can zoom into 2x. This is 1x. Okay, 1x looks nice. And now I'm walking slowly, so I show you the running result as well now. This is the results from the front camera. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 After using the RugOne Xever 7 Pro, I can honestly say it's a solid, dependable, rugged phone. The hot swappable battery really makes a difference. The thermal camera and night vision camera actually get used, and they work better than I expected. Overall, it's a rugged phone that you'd actually want to use. Durable, functional, and stylish at the same time. After using the RugOne Xever 7 Pro, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.